Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best large capacity dehumidifiers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many large capacity dehumidifiers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each large capacity dehumidifiers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss what to consider when buying a large capacity dehumidifier. Start by checking the moisture removal capacity, which tells you how much water it can extract daily. Next, look for an energy efficient model with an Energy Star rating to reduce electricity costs. Consider the size of the area you need to cover, as a larger space requires a higher capacity unit. Noise level is another key factor, especially if you plan to use it in living areas. Also, check the water tank size and whether it has a continuous drain option for convenience. Smart features like humidity sensors, timers, and automatic shutoff can make operation easier. Finally, ensure the design allows easy filter cleaning and maintenance. Choosing the right dehumidifier improves comfort, protects furniture, and prevents mold growth. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.